now we get to add not only airplanes from the Qatari government, but Swiss watches and gold bars as gifts. But see, he had put on a 39% tariff on Swiss goods. Shortly thereafter, a Rolex table clock, which does not appear to be available for purchase by the general public, appeared on the president's desk. In addition, a custom gold bar was displayed on the Resolute desk worth more than $130,000, according to Wyden's office. Less than 2 weeks later, Trump announced a deal that reduced Swift's tariffs from 39%, the highest tariff placed on any Western country, to 15%. But I know Mega. He understands you. He gets you. He's one of us, yes. I'll bet you that motherfucker couldn't operate either one of these appliances behind me.